Hi, welcome to Taffy's Texas Kitchen, and today I'm going to be making strawberry brownies, and I'm going to get everything together and we'll be right back with you. Okay, today we're going to be making strawberry brownies, and I'm going to start off with the strawberry cake box mix. Okay, into the cake box mix, I've got farm fresh eggs today. My daughter has a friend at work named Dima, and she has chickens, so I sent my daughter Trisha home with eggs. So I'm cracking them in a bowl first just to make sure they're good. Okay, we're going to go ahead and pour those eggs right into the cake mix. And to that, I'm adding 1/3 cup of melted butter, and that's 5 tablespoons plus 1 teaspoon. Every time it's a different measurement than a 1/2 cup, which is 1 stick of butter, or a cup of butter, which is 2 sticks of butter. Then I have to look it up. Okay, I'm just going to use my hand mixer. This has got very thick batter. It almost looks like frosting. And then I've got a well-greased 8x8 pan. And I'm trying a new setup. I got a new camera stand, so I'm trying something different. Because I've had people say they like to see me while I cook, which I'm just happy pointing the camera down. Okay, so we're just going to try to get everything scraped here. I'm just going to get this all pressed in. My daughter Julie and the baby came in Friday, and they've been here. They just came by this morning, and they're on their way home. They got about a 4.5, 5-hour trip. It's not that far, but I'm going to miss them. I totally intended on getting Julie in the kitchen and making something together while they were here, but they were just so busy going and seeing different family members and friends and stuff that we just never got to it. So you just want to make sure this is evenly spread across. And then we're going to take our strawberry preserves and we're just going to dollop it. We're also going to make a glaze that we're going to use the preserves into. But we're going to swirl this in so it'll be like a swirl in the brownie. You can also do this with chocolate brownies. You can I'm just going to get a regular old butter knife, or you can use an offset spatula, and then I'm just going to just swirl them around. You can also do this with chocolate cake and do strawberries and chocolate, or you could do cherry preserves would be really good in chocolate. And then the brownie mix will rise up and kind of engulf the strawberry mixture too. So Okay, well, I'm going to get this in the oven. I have my oven preheated, 350, and they're going to cook for 18 to 20 minutes. And we'll be back in a little bit to make the strawberry icing. Okay, our brownies are done. We'll get those out of the oven. And they look really pretty. They smell really good too. And for our frosting, we're going to need, for our frosting, we're going to need 3/4 cups of powdered sugar. We're going to need 2 tablespoons of strawberry preserves. And I'm just going to eyeball it. I'm just going to put a splash of vanilla, about 1/2 teaspoon. When you're making glaze, you want to be really careful about how much water you put into it, because it can go real quick from being a glaze to just, you know, watery. You can fix it. You can add more powdered sugar, but then you have to play that game of adding in the, you know, liquid. So I always start out with less and kind of stir it up. Make it thick first, and then just add a little bit at a time. I'm just using water. You can add milk. You can use strawberry milk. I wish I had some strawberry milk. That would be good since everything we're doing is strawberry. Just want it mixed up enough so, liquid enough so that you can, like, I don't think it just needs just a tad bit more. I think that's perfect. I want mine thinner because I'm just going to drizzle it over. You could make it a little bit thicker and spread it completely over like an icing, but I think it's so pretty with the, you know, strawberry swirl in there. I don't want to completely cover that up. Thin enough so that I can drizzle my icing over it. But the recipe says, you know, to make it thicker and to make one whole layer. But I'm not going to do that. I'm going to do it my way. My kitchen, my way today. So we'll be back in a little while. I'm going to let this cool for probably 30 minutes to an hour. And we're going to ice it. And then later on, when the boys come in, whoever wants to be a taste tester, we'll let them take a taste. And we'll see you later. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and ice my brownies. I'm just going to give those little stir up. If you wanted to, you can leave it in the pan and just ice the top. I used to have a square serving dish or a couple big square plates, but I couldn't find any of them. I'm just going to go each direction, crisscross. But I don't want to get too much. I want to be able to leave that, be able to see the strawberry underneath and the brownie. I'm just going to stop right there. I just have probably about a tablespoon left. And after the icing will harden up and it'll set. And after it does that, I'm going to cut it up into squares. But I just wanted to let you see me putting the icing on. And we'll be back in a little bit.
Hi guys!
Okay, we got Joe and Nate. Okay, that goes silly. And Micaiah. You can't see him. There he is. Okay, they're going to try a strawberry brownie. That's what we made.
They're all good. They're good.
It's good?
Yeah.
Really good.
Nana, can you just have some? So we take some home.
You want to take some home?
Yeah.
Alright, Joe got thumbs up. Nate likes it. Micaiah ate shoved the whole thing in his mouth, so I think he likes it. And we're going to sign out and remember to show kindness to others.
Bye.
So I'm just going to I can't think of words.